Hi guys, this is the V-Line facelifting mask. It's a double chin eraser. It says firming moisturizing hydrogel mask. It's by Celita Beauty. It's a 5-pack. And the directions are: clean your face, move hair away from ears and face, remove the film, grab the bottom set of holes with the pinkies, top holes with the pointer fingers, place at the center of the face. Okay, so it's got directions showing you how to put it all on. Let's check it out. Okay. Next 5-pack. Okay. So let's open one up and see what we got here. It's sealed in a foil. Okay, so it's not goopy. That's kind of cool. Ooh, it's really cool. It feels, actually, it's like a fabric feel gel. I don't know if you can see that. It's like got a squishy feel with the plastic back. And then that's where the nose goes. It goes up around the ears. This also goes under the ears and under the chin, like that, I'm thinking, looking at the picture. And then your face would fit in right there. All right, so I'm gonna test these out, I guess, and then I'll leave a comment in the description on where you can get some yourself, and I will also leave a comment on what I think after I try it. But it feels soft, so I think it should be comfortable to wear every night or all night. And it's pretty stretchy. Oh, look at the back side. That's the part that's gonna go to your face. That's cool. So this is what's got the stuff on it to firm up your chin, and this is the part, the fabric here is going to be what's on the outside, so that way if you sleep in it, it won't ruin your pillow or anything will stick to it. That's really cool. All right, well, I will leave a note in the description what I think of them after I've tried one. Thanks for watching, everybody, and have a great day.